Hello everyone. Hello Capricorn. This is your general forecast for September 2024. Tignan natin ang energies for you this month and ano ang mga advice ang gustong ibigay ng universe para sa iyo. Okay? Kung bago ka sa channel nito, ang goal natin dito ay magbigay ng guidance from using light from above para may positive energies ang lahat. So, general forecast tayo, guys. Okay, your first card, the Hangman in reverse, Ace of Swords reverse, Two of Cups, Seven of Wands, and Knight of Swords. Okay, let me just take in anong sinasabi sa akin ngayon. Alright. Okay, okay. Okay, gets na natin. Okay, your first card is the Ace of Swords in reverse. So there must be some kind of communications from you or from others to you na parang hindi nagpo-push through or hindi ganun kaganda yung quality ng inyong communication with other people. There are certain people around you na parang siguro nagiging ginagawa mo, iniiwasan mo or somehow tiko mo yung bibig mo. There is also some other people that maybe baka ganun no, either lang do no, it's either ikaw or sila na hindi naman na sila naman yung hindi nakikipag-communicate ng ideas sa inyo. So parang may hesitation na akong nararamdaman dito between you and others. Marami sa inyo kasi hindi hindi ine-express yung sarili because of fear of being judged or fear of not being able to understood or accepted. But marami rin dito is all about fear of not ayaw magkaroon ng communication because nahihiya kayo sa sarili niyo or nahihiya kayo that kung ano yung sasabihin ninyo. So this is what some of the things na nakikita ko no in the past. But right now you have the energy of imbalance. There is an energy of not being able to tell the truth or not being honest to yourself. There is this sense of not being fair with you or with some other people around you. Kasi there are things that you may want to tell yourself or harapin mo na, hey, ito yung nangyayari and this is what I need to fix right now. But sa ngayon, there are certain energies, certain situations na hindi ka pa comfortable to face or hindi ka pa comfortable to admit to yourself what what is happening. But certainly, you need to somehow be more open with communicating and telling yourself the reality or telling yourself, hey, ito yung talagang nangyayari, ito yung kailangan nating malaman or kailangan mong i-process or kailangan mong ayusin within yourself, okay? Okay. Second okay. Ang third card mo is the Two of Cups. Capricorn, there are certain people na lalapit sa inyo. This will make you feel so much better about yourself because there are people around you. There are some, no? It doesn't matter kung ilan sila. It can be just one. But this person will make you feel sila yung magbabalance sa'yo ng konti. Kumbaga sila yung mag-i-initiate ng balance sa inyo through reminding you how beautiful life is because of the fairness, because of the kaliwaan na parang ito yung bibigay ko sa'yo, ito, ganito, ganyan. Parang makikita mo na walang hidden agenda, hindi mo kailangan magtago. There is suddenly this pakiramdam na okay lang pala. And this is somebody who will make you feel really parang manunumbalik yung ito yung pinapakita sa akin, Capricorn. Parang manunumbalik yung yung saya mo, yung tiwala mo sa mga tao, and ito yung parang yung suddenly parang gusto mo na lang biglang maglabas ng samahan ng loob or maglabas ng iyong opinion, ganyan, na parang okay na lahat, sige, go. Okay? Ito yung nakikita ko sa inyo. But for September 2024, Capricorn, for you to move forward, alam mo, may mga situations kasi for you to move forward eh. And this is what is happening right now. Kung ano yung pinagdadaanan nyo ngayon, Capricorn. However, kung bakit hindi ka nagmo-move forward sa iyong situation is because of you. Ang sinasabi dito sa akin, hindi naman lalala yung situation kung i kung i-recognize mo yung nangyayari or yung reality of what's happening. What is holding you back is you yourself because hindi mo pa tinatanggap sa sarili mo. Maybe it's something that you have done before, or maybe this is something that you're not telling anyone, but this is something about you yourself na kailangan mo na siyang harapin because sooner or later, haharapin mo siya. So you better na harapin mo siya ngayon because people around you seem to be going to be helping to seem to be going to help you. Okay? Wala dito yung parang nakikita ko may energies na hindi ka tatanggapin, ganyan. So, it's all about you. It doesn't matter how big it is or how small the issue is, pero hirap na hirap kang ilabas yung situations or yung i-voice out yung mga, what do you call that? Yung mga kailangan mong sabihin sa mga tao. So, that's one of the things na nakikita ko sa inyo. Alright? And, ang advice sa inyo, yung iba sa inyo kasi overprotective sa sarili. Overprotective. And this is, I know ito yung advice card niya, pero nung nakita ko tong card na to, some of you may be overprotecting yourself. And ito yung mga bagay na nagsasabi sa inyo na wag na nating sabihin, wag na nating aminin, ganito, ganyan. So, many of you may be overprotecting yourself. So, somehow, maybe you need to put the walls down. Kung tarot readers kayo, dahil ito yung sasabi kong advice card, maybe ito yung kailangan mong advice, right? But when I saw this card, the impression was it's too much. It's too much. Ang dami-dami sobra. Okay? So, kayo yung mag-adjust, no? So, kung ano yung pinagdadaanan nyo ngayon, look at yourself. Are you protecting yourself too much or kulang? Sige, kung sabihin mong you're not protecting yourself at all, sige, go and protect yourself. Pero sa nakikita ko, overprotective kayo. Like, too much na parang hindi na kayo nagkakaroon ng communication with other people. And if you protect yourself na OA sa pagka protective, hindi kayo uusad. There's nothing, hindi umaandar ang energies ninyo. Money wise, relationship wise, hindi siya umaandar. And your being, ikaw mismo, outside of this body, in this universe, kailangan niyang mag-move forward. Because remember, hindi naman tayo nabubuhay lang sa mundong ito. After this, sa buhay na to, meron pang susunod. And kailangan mong mag-evolve right now para sa susunod. And hindi natin alam kung ano yung may susunod, ganyan. But it's for you to, kaya ka andito sa earth para matuto. Okay? And you need to evolve. You need to do that because ang dami mong ang dami ngang nangyayari sa iyo diba? So, let's get your advice card na. If you resonate with this reading, please follow or subscribe, hit the like button, and share this channel with others. This can be your small way of supporting this channel. We also have a 2024 forecast video if you want to check ang buong reading nyo for the whole year. Okay? So, this is your advice card, Capricorn. Okay. Okay. It's it is safe for you to receive. The more you allow yourself to receive, the more resources you have available to share with others. Open your arms to receive and be a conduit for good coming to you and through you as it blesses the world. So, paano ito nag-a-apply sa'yo? Hindi masama na humingi ng tulong for you kung may mga communication ka na kailangan mong sabihin, you need help, or somehow parang hindi mo alam yung gagawin mo, you just need some advice. It's okay. Allow yourself to have that help. Allow yourself na magkaroon ng communication with other people, to have that channel para magkaroon ka ng help and para makatulong yung iba sa'yo. Because pagka nakakatulong yung iba sa'yo, ikaw din mismo mas makakatulong ka sa iba. So isipin mo yung kung gaano kalaki yung nagiging effect nun. It's not just about you. You are not being selfish. Yes, you will be helped by people. You need some help maybe. Pero ang bigger picture nito kasi ikaw mismo, madami ka pang matutulungang iba. Alright? New waxing moon, conception, inner self, and expansion. I just need to mention na ang daming signs this September na ito yung advice card na you need to look into yourself. Tignan mo sa sarili mo ano yung mga bagay na hindi maganda sa'yo, yung mga negative aspects mo that you need to change. This is the time, ito yun eh. Kailangan mo magpalit ng buwan. Kumbaga yung moon, 'di ba, nagpapalit siya ng itsura, ng light, ganyan. So you need time to look into yourself and see ano yung other sides na meron mo. And maybe those are the things na kailangan mong pagtibayin and you need to maybe hindi mo pa na-discover yung ibang qualities mo. Alright? So, another advice card. Kuha tayo ng isa pa. Okay. Alright. Calmness. The inner divine is the witness of all, remaining still and quiet even during intense turbulence. So take a deep breath and then say, quiet my mind, dear Lord. May your peaceful calm take over. So, baka masyado din kayong aligaga. So, just remember to be calm. And sa dami kasi ng iniisip ninyo, sa dami ng pwedeng dumarating sa inyo, hindi na ninyo alam how to handle things. So that's why maybe nagko-close kayo ng sarili ninyo. So just stay calm. Just stay calm. And nasa sa inyo kasi na it's your choice if you want to open up. So, relax lang. And wag masyadong isara ang communication. Don't be too much na OA sa pagkakakimkim ng mga bagay. Okay? And ayun. Then you can move forward. Alright? This is your forecast. Don't forget to follow or subscribe. And always remember, sa lahat ng gagawin mong desisyon, dapat mabuti ang iyong intention. See you sa next reading, Capricorn.